Hello, everyone. Welcome back to happymod, your go-to channel for health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that impacts not just our physical well-being, but also our mental health: vitamin D and its fascinating role in mood regulation. As we bask in the sunlight, we often underestimate the power of those sunbeams on our overall mood. Did you know that exposure to sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in our skin? And this vitamin does more than just support our bones, it has a profound impact on our emotional well-being. The sunshine vitamin, vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is a key player in regulating calcium and phosphorus absorption, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones. But that's not all. It goes beyond our skeletal health and delves into the intricate world of neurotransmitters. Segment 2: Neurotransmitters and Mood. Let's talk neurotransmitters. These are the chemical messengers in our brain. Vitamin D receptors are present in areas of the brain that are linked to mood and emotional regulation. Research suggests that optimal levels of vitamin D may influence the production of serotonin, often dubbed the happy hormone, the serotonin connection. Serotonin plays a pivotal role in mood stabilization, and inadequate levels are associated with conditions like depression and anxiety. By ensuring we have sufficient vitamin D, we may be supporting our brain's ability to produce and regulate serotonin, promoting a more positive and balanced mood. The research insights. Now let's delve into some intriguing studies. Research has shown that individuals with lower levels of vitamin D are more likely to experience mood disorders. It's like our body's way of telling us that the sunshine vitamin is not just about physical health, but extends its rays to uplift our spirits too. How to boost your vitamin D. So how can we ensure we're getting enough of this mood-boosting vitamin? Sunlight is a primary source, but factors like location, season, and skin tone can influence absorption. Including vitamin D, rich foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks in our diet is another way. And of course, there are supplements, but it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. As we wrap up today's exploration into the world of vitamin D and mood regulation, remember that a holistic approach to health involves not just physical practices, but also paying attention to the nutrients our body needs. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to happymod for more health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.